हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज मैं क्लास 6 इंग्लिश जो कि लास्ट वीडियो है आज हमारा और लास्ट कुछ पैराग्राफ बचा हुआ उसको पढ़ाने जा रहा हूँ। आप लोग ध्यान से सुनिएगा। देखिए, व्हेन आई क्वेश्चनेड, और एक सूचना है, ये जो मैं पढ़ा रहा हूँ लेसन, इसकी इसमें इंग्लिश बता रहा हूँ ताकि आप लोग जब विद्यालय पर आएंगे तो इसकी हिंदी और इंग्लिश मैं दोनों उसके बाद बताऊँगा। इस तरह से आपका एक बार क्या है रिवीजन भी हो जाएगा और आपको अच्छी तरह से इसके बारे में जानकारी भी हो जाएगी। तो सुनिए आप लोग पहले ध्यान से इसकी इंग्लिश। व्हेन आई क्वेश्चनेड व्हाट इट वाज लाइक बीइंग ए वुमेन इन हर फील्ड, शी आंसर्ड, आई रियली नेवर ever thought while the competing my studies or doing anything else what I have a woman or a person from a small city or a developing country. I pretty much saw dreams like anyone else and I pursued them, and people around me fortunately always encouraged me and said, if that what you want to do, go ahead. Kalpana first space mission in a space shuttles Columbia was the 15 days, 16 hours and the 34 minutes long. During the time she was traveled around the earth 252 times and the 10.45 million kilometers. The crew comprised for the Japanese and the Ukrainide astronaut. The crew conduct experiments such as the polyacting plants to be observe food growth in a space and the test for the producing metals and the faster computer chips. All of the space track for the about the $56 million on the Saturday nights when the now about the Columbia disasters come. That was the shock and the disbelief. The town of the Karnal had the sleepless night and the thousands of the households stay gazed to their television sets hoping, and Kalpana and the crew had some live survived. The journalist described her for the harmony and hinted the in Rolmu's ability to become an astronaut. You have to know a lot of about everything was the biology and the astrophysics of the aeronautical engineering. In their times of the super specifications, you must have the encyclopedia knowledge to be the astronaut. Her achievements in a way inspiring from the millions of the young Indians for the story of the Kalpana Chawla, a girl from a little town who reached the skies, had become the inspiration for its in a message that the sent from the brought the space shuttle Columbia for the pupils to her college and the Chandigarh's. Kalpana said, the road from these dreams for the success does exist. May you have the vision to get in the power up to get into this. Wishing you a great January journey. There will be no doubt from the many who started off this journey to realize their dreams. The news report. देखिए, ट्रैक डी इन स्पेस यूएस स्पेस शटल कोलंबिया ब्रेक इनटू द फेम। देखिए, त्रासदी जब हुई थी उसकी। थैंक यू। देखिए, इन द अंडर proceedent space is accident for the US space shuttle Columbia carrying India's India born in America astronaut Kalpana Chawla has the 6 others the caught for the flames and the streaked over the stacks toward the landing strip on a Saturday. 1 February 2003 killing for the 7 abroad. The shuttle missed contact with NASA and the 9 a.m. and it was coming from for landing. It was flying as the altitude for this 2 lakh feet and the running over the 20,000 km per hour. A ground control lost contact with this shuttle. Columbia had took off the 16 January 2003 from this Kennedy Space Center, Florida. It had the stay from orbit from the 16 day and or the 7 members crew did the 80 experiments before they started its the downward journey, which ended for the tragedy. This was the Columbia 28 space flight and the shuttle was said to be excellent from these 100 flights. सो इस तरह से आज ये लेसन समाप्त होता है. इसकी PDF फाइल मैं आपको कल भेज दूंगा. थैंक यू.